Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's mukbang is about seafood, right? Not a whole lot of it, but seafood. So I've got New Zealand green lip mussel. I bought these guys. And I've got Australian prawns, okay? And I've got raw fish. Hang on, wait. Could have do with a bit more salt, but I gotta stop eating too much salt. And I bought me a couple of Fays. Well, I bought 6 and I got 2. I'll probably just eat 1 anyway, but it's just for, you know, does that look good? So I got a couple of corns. You know what's weird about these corns, guys? Is that when you boil corn for over like an hour or so, it's going to get tender and soft. But these corns, it just stays like hard, like, is it plastic? Anyway, never mind. And see this white sauce? I made it, guys. I done a little white sauce and I used a whole can of coconut cream. Okay, a whole can of coconut cream. Put some onion and a little bit of garlic. I was a bit over garlic. I could taste it. Anyway, and I seasoned it with a bit of salt and a whole lot of pepper. And I got my bowl, you know, to put all the shells in it. So, time to get it on. Wait. Time to eat. Guys, I know you guys don't see me do my prayer, but it's just that I just don't want to always do my prayer in front of anyone because it's my own time to thank the good Lord. Okay, but let me tell you, I do my prayer. Because you got to be thankful, you know. You can't just think you live and you don't thank the good Lord who provides all this good food for us. Anyway, let me taste this beautiful sauce that I made. Oh, right. Okay. It passes. Okay, right. I'm just thinking, you know, some people like to put like chili sauce and stuff. And I think, oh, I'm fiffy after chili. I'm fiffy after chili, guys, okay? I'm fucking up. Anyway, I just wanted to boil these, right, in a bit of salty water. That's why it's still, like... And then I should have taken it off the oven, the stove top, but I thought, okay, just leave it there. It'll keep it warm. Yeah, yeah. This is for you guys. Hey, I don't know if you guys have watched my Samoan video. I went to a fabric shop and I bought this material. So I made me a dress. Okay, I didn't do it. I can't sew to save my life, but a Chinese lady made it for me out in Liverpool. What? Yeah, I just wanted to boil it, you know, boil the mussel. And then dip it. You know, I wanted that bit of flavour, so that's why I used a can of coconut cream instead of the cream or the milk that you use to make the white sauce. Can you hear that lawnmower? Why do people pick weekends to mow? Nah, good on them. I like to see men get out there and, you know, do their You know, you guys might wonder why I haven't been putting up videos, guys, but I don't know. I tell you what, it's weird that I just met my niece, and her death is, you know, like, put this, I don't know, this heavy thing on me, you know. I don't know. Lemonade, guys. Cheers. That's lemonade cordial. I've been drinking a whole lot of cordial and a whole lot of water. Fizzy drink these days is like it's a rare thing to do, to drink, because it's got too much sugar, too much of that artificial lapisi in it, even though I know cordial does, but it's got more water in that and a little bit of cordial, so I think it's more, you know, safer. Yeah. Anyway, I put the butter all over the corn. Probably messy all over my face. Anyway, tell me, how's everyone been? Huh? I haven't even been able to watch a lot, but this morning I did watch Peter and Yen. They went to Rarotonga, and the video is bomb.com. You guys gotta go and watch it. So cool. You'll see that they tackle with get in there. They tackle with coconut. You know how you don't have one of those things to open up a coconut, so you have to try and open up the coconut any way you can. Well, go and watch them. You'll have a laugh. I don't want to tell you the whole thing. You know when you're watching a movie and someone spoils it for you? Yeah, well, I don't want to be that person. Okay? Yeah, anyway, as I was telling you guys, my niece passing away is sort of like, I didn't even know it was going to affect me, and it just really made me really sad, and I felt like not doing anything. I just, you know, and then I edited up her service, and as I was editing it, I just could not stop crying. I just cried. It was horrible, you know, that I kept crying like a suki lala instead of just editing my niece's video. Anyway, so for about 3-4 days I haven't been, you know, all that happy. Then I thought about what my brother said. There was a time, like, I think a year ago, I was talking to him about something. And my brother, he lives in New Zealand, Upatiki, Opodi. Well, he likes to joke around because he thinks he's funnier than me. Yeah, I know, right? Okay. Good, you're all messy. Anyway, what was I backstabbing again? I mean, what was I saying? Anyway, so he thinks he's funnier than me. So he said to me, I was complaining about something, and he said to me, sis, the only way to get rid of that is you go into Pack and Save, go in aisle 6, and then down that aisle, I was thinking, guys, you know this sauce? It's quite nice, right? I made a white sauce, just a little bit of flour, okay? And then I used the coconut cream. But in that butter, you must put in thinly sliced onions. Okay. And then you soften the onion a bit with heaps of butter. Then you put in like a tablespoon of flour. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. And then you open up 1 can of coconut cream. And put it in. And then you season it to taste the way you like it. I thought, if Bina can do her sauce, this is my fob sauce. My coconut sauce. Now coconut my whainga sauce I whapea. Wet, dip, dip. I'll be honest with you, I overboiled these, see, I never learned. You cook, and then when it's cooked, you remove from the element. No, remove it on the element, and then I go and have a shower. And then come back, we'll overcook them out, we'll overcook. Anyway, guys, if you guys haven't seen that video that I went to Samoa, went to the fabric shop, please go and look it up and watch it. And this is the fabric I bought. I love brown, I just do. Probably my older sister was going, oh, try and get red, try and get, purple, try and... But it was like I could not hear nothing. I could not hear nothing. Because, no, okay. Put it this way. My belief is always try and do things that you like. Try and do things that you want to do. Don't follow, don't listen to someone if you think you ain't got to, enjoy it. Because that's my advice. I think if we're going to listen to someone and that's not what we want to do, we're just going to do it, but we're not really happy with it, It's not that she was giving me a bad advice, but that's what she likes. Me, I like brown. I need all my fabrics. If I can get brown all the time. Anyway. But I knew where she was coming from. I knew where she was coming from. I know she meant well. She came from a good place. Because she couldn't understand why was I always going brown, this, brown, that, brown. Guys, try this sauce. Really nice. Anyway, guys. Oh, I am so proud of you guys. I've been seeing a lot of videos, I see you guys putting up videos. Islanders. Good on you guys. Man, I got a lot of onions in here. Could be love. She had a lot of onions. And I thought, I'm going to do heaps of onion too. Only because I love the flavour. Man, here's my coconut sauce. So, give it a try, guys. You might like it. And if you don't come back and tell me no. I hope you like it. Give it a go. You might like it. Anyway, shout out to all those people that Agnes's family, who some of them are my family, that did Agnes proud. And then Ben, he wrote a song for Agnes. He has a lovely voice. That's why he came on The Voice, because he got a lovely voice. Yeah, so he wrote Agnes a song based on the Bible, which is good. First cousins, you know, they're first cousins, and I'm first cousin with Agnes's dad. They're such nice people. I met some of the extended family. It was so good. It's like we were already family. Honest. I just felt like it was nice sitting among them. And just hanging out. Anyway, guys, we're planning the Bali trip next year, right? And you know how sometimes it can start off as a big group, and then it ends up just like a handful. I feel this one is going to be like that, okay? But I want to go. This is nice. Oh. This one's a bit fun to eat and had a little process with this crack. Man, some of the things I've been saying. Not a bit rude. Okay, shh. Do not say that. Just the thought of having mess around my face while I'm eating. No good. No good. Guess what? I forgot about a raw fish right here. Alright. No. You know, I like my raw fish with a whole lot of lemon. I know people say, oh yeah, you're cooking it, but guys, yours. Okay, not enough lemon. I didn't make this raw fish, guys. No. I got it from the shop. There's a whole lot of island shops around here, right? So I'm very lucky. But this I got from the seafood shop yesterday. Yep. I felt like this. Yes. Did you see that spray? Ooh. Oh, yeah. This is nice, guys. Yeah, so that's the only video I watched today was Peter and Jens. You know, them being in Rarotonga, and they put the video together so beautifully. I've been going to Rarotonga, and my brother said to me, if I ever go to Rarotonga my first time, I must go and be part of Te Whare Nui and watch their performance and have something to eat And I thought I would, but for some reason, I didn't want to go. But I thought, okay, I see Peter and Yen, they had a good time, so my mother must be right. But it's always full. It's always full. And then they have their pictures taken. So I better go. I don't have my picture now. It's Te Vara Nui, guys. I hope I'm saying it right. I don't want the owner to ring me and go, excuse me, favours, can you pronounce my name right? My brother. Wow, yeah. Yeah, guys. Not interested in the raw fish, because I must have heaps of lemon in it. I must have it. But this person that made this raw fish doesn't like a lot of lemon, obviously, and didn't do it. Didn't squeeze a lot of lemon. Lime, if you put it in there, it doesn't have that much of a kick. Hey, what do you think? E moio. So, me so. Yeah. Please leave me your answer down below. If you like raw fish with a lot of lemon, or just a little bit of lemon. Okay? I like to know, but I love a lot of lemon. It's so good, guys. No joking. Hey, try the white sauce. See what you think. It's called coconut sauce. It's a coconutty sauce made by a coconutty. Made by a coconut. I'm trying to get into chili so I can eat food that's got chili in it. You know? And I must go back and visit the Indian shop that I bought my food from. I tried bringing up to see if they have any kin at the Kai drop one time. So I asked him, do you have any New Zealand kins? I said, no. They only have Australian kin. They're alright, but they're not New Zealand kin. New Zealand kin to me is the best. You know? My sauce is so good. Because everyone got different taste buds, but give it a try. Wait a while. Hello, Faye. And I. Yeah, but try not to do what I did. Overboard the muscles. Oka. Oka. Oh, but if you bought the lekker I'm sorry. It's just like a chendol, right? You know those things you put your foot through? Yeah, but you must say chendol. You know, hey, lucky I was talking a lot. Look, I got a whisker. And then that thing, yeah, they play with your food, yeah. One lucky prawn, guys. One lucky prawn. Hey, guys, listen. If you're a first-time viewer and you think you like my channel, hit the subscribe button and the tinga bell like this. See the bell like this? Anyway, you hit that bell and then you see more of my videos. You know what, guys? That was too good. Too good. There you go. Oh! That's the only orange one. Oh, stinky. Why wasn't it all orange? I prefer all the orange ones. You know? So orange are the sweeter ones. Man, I like this, man. It's being good. So if you got your videos up, keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Because I'm back now, and I'm going to be watching and putting your names down on my shout-out books so I can shout you out. But today, I don't have the shout-out book. It's outside. It's outside in the sunroom. Alright. Take care, guys. Take care. Always thank God for what you have. Because there are people out there that's really not as fortunate as us. That's what for, guys. But it's been good having you guys join me. Okay? But, kia manuia.